Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And today we're going to learn about multi-step inequalities. We're going to solve each inequality and graph its solution. So if I was given this inequality, 13 plus 2v minus 8 plus 6 is greater than a negative 7 minus v. Okay? Big problem here. Okay? So what I need to do is combine my like terms on the left. That's like my first step. And some people want to do it all in one step, the 13 and the negative 8 and the positive 6. What I'm going to do is actually just leave the 13 for my first step to v. And just quickly here, negative 8 plus 6 is a negative 2. Okay? Is greater than negative 7 minus v, not a 4. Okay? V. Okay? Well, now let's go deal with the negative 2 and 13. Okay? 13 and negative 2 come out to be 11. So we have 11 plus 2b is greater than negative 7 minus v. So now I'm going to bring all my v's to the left and my numbers to the right. So I'm going to add a v to both sides. V to both sides. And I'm going to subtract 11 to both sides. 2v plus v is 3v. And that's still greater than. And then subtracting 11, negative 7 minus 11 is a negative 18. Okay? So now I have 3v is greater than a negative 18. I divide by 3 to both sides, giving me v by itself. And so v is greater than negative 18 divided by 3 is a negative 6. And there we have it. V is isolated and it's greater than a negative 6. So now I need to graph this. Okay? So I'm going to make my little number line here. And let's go by 3's. 0, negative 3, negative 6, negative 9. And we have 3, 6, 9. Okay? So v being greater than a negative 6 is not equal to a negative 6, just greater than. I have an open circle at negative 6. Okay? Then I want to put my arrow to the right, giving me here, because v is greater than, my graph. All right? So negative 6 because it's not equal to, it's just greater than, so it's just not equal to open circle, and then greater than, put an arrow to the right. And there we have it. Our graph here matches our final answer, which is v is greater than a negative 6. So let's recap. We had 13 plus 2v minus 8 plus 6 is greater than negative 7 minus v. I did first just combine the negative 8 plus 6 to get a negative 2. Then I had 13 minus 2 is 11. So 11 plus 2v is greater than negative 7 minus v. I added a v to both sides, eliminating it there, and I subtracted 11 to both sides, eliminating that there. 2v plus v is 3v, and negative 7 minus 11 is a negative 18. And then divided 3 to both sides, getting v by itself, and v is greater than negative 18 divided by 3 is a negative 6. Negative divided by positive is a negative. Fantastic. So now I needed to graph that. So I have an open circle at negative 6 here, okay? And then we said v is greater than negative 6, so I put my arrow to the right. So now I have my graph that matches my final answer, which is v is greater than a negative 6.